Let's work on another SAT math question. So we are given a quadratic equation, 3x squared plus 12x plus 6 equals 0, right? And so what are the roots of this equation? So the first step is we see that there is a common factor of 3 in every term. So we're going to factor out that 3. So when you bring the 3 out in front, what's inside the parentheses becomes x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. And then so you can drop the 3 because this 3 multiplied by something equals 0. The only way that can occur is what's inside the parentheses equals 0. All right. Now you have x squared plus 4x plus 2 equals 0. And this quadratic equation cannot be easily solved by factorization. So we're going to solve this by applying the quadratic formula. And before we can apply quadratic formula, we need some variable to represent the coefficient, right? The coefficient. So the coefficient of x squared, right? This is implicitly there's an a here, and this is a 1, right? Implicitly there's a 1, and this is coefficient b, which is 4, and this is the constant 2, which is c, right? We used the variable c to represent this constant. So a is 1, b is 4, c is 2. Now we're ready to plug into the quadratic formula. So if you remember, the quadratic formula looks something like this. X equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. All right, so previously, so let me remind you that a equals 1, b equals 4, c equals 2. Right, so these are the coefficient of this quadratic equation. And so after plugging in the real value, the true value, so we have negative 4 plus or minus 16 minus 8, and 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2, right? b is 4, so b squared is 16. A is 1, c is 2, so 4ac is 4 times 1 times 2. This is where this 8 comes from. Right? Now 16 minus 8 is square root of 8. Square root of 8 is 2 times square root of 2. So this is the last thing you get. Now there's a common term of 2. So you factor out, you can cancel out the 2. This becomes negative 2. This becomes this 2 would disappear. So the answer becomes negative 2 plus or minus square root 2, and which is choice A right here. Already. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my profile so that when I list more classes, you're going to be notified. If you're interested in certain class on our school and you can't find the time or date period that you would like to enroll, please use the auto schedule function of our school. All right, look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.